We're here at the surgical image recording area on Sony's booth at MEDICA 2012. In the surgical image recording area, we are showing the well-established medical DVD recorder, DVO 1000MD, followed by the medical Full HD recorder, HVO 1000MD. And one of this year's product highlights with the Full HD 3D recorder, HVO 3000MD. The DVD recorder captures standard definition video and writes it onto DVD. It is simple in operation and can also be operated by remote control, via a foot switch or via a PC. The DVDs are written in the conventional DVD format so that it can be used in standard consumer DVD players or directly on PCs. The HVO 1000MD is a full HD medical recorder suitable for recording endoscopic or surgical procedures, captured with HD video camera systems from endoscopic or other surgical imaging systems. It supports transmission formats in HD SDI or DVI HDMI with full high-definition resolution. It can simultaneously record onto the internal hard disk as well as up to 2 further media types. This can be either USB stick, portable USB hard drive, DVD or Blu-ray disc. In addition, the recording can be sent via a network connection onto a server or can be transmitted in a live stream via the hospital network to a PC in a doctor's office or a meeting room. A lot of time can be saved by simultaneous recording onto external media during the operation because the finished recording is ready to take away at the end of the procedure. The recording is in MPEG-4 format, which can be played on Windows and Mac computers. This format is also supported by Blu-ray players used in home entertainment systems. The menu operation is just as simple as a consumer DVD recorder: record start, pause and stop. The recordings can be pre-entered with patient data, name of the procedure, and information about the physician or clinical facility, which helps to identify and retrieve the content when placed into an image database or an archive system. We're also showing the additional DICOM capability of the HVO 1000MD. Patient images can now also be sent to a networked PAC system in the DICOM format. The control of the recorder can be selected by the user, with the interactive pop-up menu being displayed on the surgical monitor during the procedure or via a secondary control monitor. The control monitor can be conventional computer display operated with keyboard and mouse, or instead a touchscreen monitor being attached to the recorder via a control interface. The HVO 1000MD is the ideal recorder for high-quality surgery captured from high-definition video systems and meets the medical safety requirements according to the Medical Device Directive, just like all other medical imaging products from Sony. Another Sony product highlight this year at MEDICA is the new Full HD 3D recorder, HVO 3000MT. It is based on the concept of the 2D recorder, with additional inputs that are required to accept 3D signals coming from various medical 3D systems such as surgical microscopes or 3D endoscopic systems recently introduced to the market. It supports transmission formats in HD SDI as well as DVI and merge them into one 3D signal for playback on 3D monitors. The HVO 3000MT has the capability to input 2 signal sources. The recorder accepts 3D formats such as side-by-side and line-by-line, and has the additional capability to internally convert from each format to the other if needed for playout on a 3D monitor. Of course, the HVO 3000MT inherits all the functions and features of the HVO 1000MD, such as simultaneous recording on different media, network connectivity, and DICOM functionality. The benefit of Sony medical imaging equipment is the automated communication between different devices. Data exchange and control commands can be sent between recorder, monitor and printer to support an automated process for image documentation at the push of a button. The recorder can be started at the push of a button, which could be a remote control button on the actual endoscope camera head. With a second button, the surgeon can capture still images to be printed. The captured still image briefly appears on the display and then can be automatically sent to the printer for documentation. All Sony medical monitors feature a simple tally light to indicate the status of recording. This provides an additional easy-to-see feedback to the surgeon that his recordings are being saved and documented as needed.